Hey y'all, this is Stacy from Let's Cook Y'all. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy no-fail pan cookie or a bar cookie. I usually make these, split the recipe in half and make a small 8x8 or 9x9. Today I'm taking these to a get-together, so I'm going to double it. I will have, as always, the recipe linked below. The ingredients you will need are flour, baking powder, salt, brown sugar, vanilla, chips, and you can use any kind of chips. You can use butterscotch, dark chocolate. I've used cinnamon. You could probably use white chocolate, although I've never tried it. Today I'm just going to make regular chocolate chip cookie bars. Some butter and eggs. I go ahead and line either a metal or glass pan with foil and spray it heavily. And these are my no-fail bar cookies or pan cookies. So let me show you how to make these today. The first thing we're going to do is melt some butter in the microwave in a microwave safe bowl. For the small pan you'll need 4 tablespoons. To double it for a 9x13 you'll need a whole stick. Next, preheat your oven to 350. To the melted butter we'll add the brown sugar, the eggs, the vanilla, and mix it gently with a wooden spoon. In a larger bowl, I have mixed the flour, the baking powder, and the salt. Now I'm going to take the wet mixture and add to it and incorporate, and then it's just a matter of folding in the chips of your choice. Again, the recipe with the ingredients is listed below. I have doubled it to make it in a larger pan. Then we will bake it in the oven. As you can see, the batter is pretty thick. Just means they're going to be good. This recipe is very similar to the one bowl fudgy brownies that I make, in that it's ingredients I almost always have on hand. It's easy to stir. You don't need a mixer. You mix everything in a bowl with a wooden spoon and bake it. I will link that recipe above and below. So now this goes into a 350-degree oven. The dough never looks like it's enough to fill the pan, but don't worry, it spreads out. This was a double batch, so I baked them about 30 minutes. For a small 8x8 or 9x9 pan, you'll need to check them at 20. It probably won't take more than 25. We're going to let them cool and cut them up. And these are my easy no-fail pan cookies. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. I hope you'll like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And have a blessed day, y'all. Bye.